Hey Selena, look today, we will be learning regex.
Okay, let's learn this topic.
We are given with a string as shown on your screen.
Aha, look at the regex as shown, apply that on the string str.
What's next, Selena?
Then you need to call the match method upon the string, and pass on the regex created above.
Cool, then what's gonna happen, Selena?
Then we get fox as output.
Okay, but why?
Let me decode it line by line.
Sure.
\w matches for a word.
Okay.
Plus symbol matches for one or more string occurrences.
Okay.
$symbol matches for any string at last.
Okay.
I flag ignores cases, if any.
Okay.
G flag searches for given regex or string globally.
Okay.
Did you find it interesting, viewers? Then save and share this reel with your friends.
Follow for more JS content.